Fire alarm and first aid. As an RA, it is very important that you know how to provide first aid and what to do during a fire alarm. If there is a fire, there are a few important rules to follow. The most important one is that your own safety always comes first, so please take this to heart. Fire alarm. If the fire alarm goes off, you as RA have to report to the central unit and wait for orders that you will get from the first staff member who arrives at the central unit. The barn is the gathering point for all 85 students, faculty and castle staff. During the orientation weekend, we'll have a basic fire drill and you'll get instructions from your supervisor. First aid kit. If a minor accident occurs, you have the possibility to grab a first aid kit at several spots throughout the castle. The RA rooms, the VB lounge, Dulcia's place, the dining hall and OSA. We prefer that you come to OSA because we have more materials in our first aid kit. Doctor's office and hospital. During the orientation, we will show you the exact route to the doctor's office. If you walk in this direction, towards that sign, you will find doctor's office De Maasoever. The hospital. During the visit to the hospital, your RA supervisor will show you the emergency entrance. This is important because if there's a student in need to go to the hospital, it can occur that you as RA are the person who has to join them and show him or her the entrance.